in our schools. We call on the federal government to immediately deploy the Civil Defense Corps to all the federal unity schools so that children can safely return to the classroom without further delay. Protecting our schools is not optional. It is a constitutional and moral responsibility. The more we capitulate, the more ground we lose as a nation. Every single day that schools remain closed, terrorists grow bolder, communities grow more fearful, and Nigeria drifts further from the promise of security and stability. A country that cannot protect its own children cannot protect its future. The ADC urges the government to act decisively, transparently, and responsibly. Reopen the schools and secure the schools. Bring our children home now and show Nigerians and the world that this nation will not bow to terror. And protect them. I mean, what we just witnessed in the shutting down of the 47 unity schools is just a latest episode in what has become a pattern in northern Nigeria. So many children have been kept out of school for indeterminate long period of time in northern Nigeria. So what we are saying is that this administration is bowing to terror. The terrorists can sense the vulnerability of the Nigerian state, and they believe that our country is there for the taking. So this is the time that government needs to show strength. But what they are doing, because they need quick win to celebrate, because they are obsessed with politics. So what they are doing is negotiating with terrorists in order to be able to celebrate headlines that they have rescued the children, rather than actually going after the insurgents who have turned our country to a killing field.
It's not bamboo, you can't it's not terrible.
You're in a trouble.
All good.
Some look at the day with Jamala.
It's not terrible.
He's back to all of the
So I know you know the answer to the question you're asking me. You know, a nation.